What up, fam, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Jazz, and Deb is back there being this cameraman. Before we jump into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified every time I post a video. Cause what, babe?
If that bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be singing. So if you don't see the parentheses outside of the bell, that means you won't be notified when we drop good eats like these.
So, we have been wanting some fried chicken and sweet and sour sauce. And we already told y'all we could not find any fried chicken in our Chinese restaurants over here. So guess what? We gonna make some. For our sweet and sour sauce, we got some pineapple juice, some rice wine vinegar, some ketchup and soy sauce that I have already mixed up, and I will leave the what they call measurements in the description if anybody want them. But I actually found it on Pinterest. And some brown sugar. I actually need some more. Y'all know we the Pinterest
Champs?
Yes. Because this is not part of the recipe, but I'm gonna add it for some spice.
Cause you always gotta make something your own.
Yep. That's what cooking about. How y'all doing today? What y'all eating on? Very simple. Really just mixing it all up, bringing it to a boil, and then I got some cornstarch and water that I'm gonna add in there. And that's about it. This really isn't a show y'all video today. We just showing y'all what we mukbanging, all those.
Oh, you're gonna have to redo that, honey.
What
we doing? What we doing? We doing
mukbanging. We mukbanging.
Get all them scraps.
Yep.
No ketchup left behind.
And that soy sauce. Well, in the meantime, I already got my chicken seasoned, and I'm about to try something different. Okay, fam. Oh, wait a minute, it's hot. Get back. Don't burn your eyes. We've brought our sauce to a boil, and now we're gonna add our cornstarch mixture. Now, babe, how many? It say 2 to 3.
2 to 3 what?
Drops of red food coloring.
Do 3. 2. Make a little bit orange.
Huh?
2, make a little orange.
1, 3. Shoot, look like we need 4. Look in here, babe. It didn't turn it that red, y'all.
You gotta finish stirring.
Let me show y'all. Get back here, hot. Well, it's kind of red.
Mm-hmm.
You don't think one more, babe? No.
You did 4, didn't you?
I did 3. It say 2 to 3 drops.
Just for you, honey.
Doop. Alright, fam. Okay. Now we just gotta let this simmer while we're gonna start frying up this chicken. Show them that good seasoned chicken.
After. See, you can't be afraid to get your hands dirty. That's what happens when you get down in there. See that?
Oh yeah. Look at that pretty chicken wine. So I was watching how the Chinese fry their chicken.
Don't pardon that. We just got back home.
I think it's too hot. They cook it for 10 minutes. They fry their chicken for 10 minutes.
The right temperature, that's all you need. So it's 10:43. So you flip it at 10:48. Well, 9.
Let me tell y'all, fam, I've been having bad luck with chicken.
New pots. You gotta get used to
we
them.
gotta.
I keep telling you to use your old stuff, but they want to use the new stuff, so she.
So I still gotta learn.
Yeah, but you can learn off camera.
But I'm just letting them know this time if this chicken looks burnt, it might, cause we've been playing with temperatures and
recipes and
different cookware. That's what I'm trying to say.
Trying to figure out which one's gonna cook the best. What up, fam? My bad for intruding into today's cooking video, but we really are just trying to experiment with the different cookware because we have 5 different sets of pots. So we're trying to figure out which one we like that gives us that chicken at the right temperature. So I mean at the right crisp and how we like it. And every temperature for the same temperature does not work for every set of pots. So we experiment. I'm just shooting fun that bay. Okay, fam. So these are what we're gonna be having with our Chinese wings. I'm excited about this one. This is the one I'm the most excited about because I absolutely love spinach. So a spinach pastry is gonna be bomb. Now, let me load these boys up, then we'll be right back.
Look.
Well, fam.
Experiment. Like
These
Miss Hobbs say. Social, what she say? Science experiment.
So since we had the wings split to fry them anyway, fam, we figured we cook them on 2 different temperatures because with this cookware, since it conducts heat very well, the temperatures can tend to vary from typical cookware. So we cook these on 5.5 for the 12 minutes, and we're gonna cook these on 5 for 12 minutes to see the texture consistency. Actually, I think I wanna do these on 5 for 15.
Okay.
So we're gonna do these on 5 for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna see what the differences are.
Ooh, look at them, fam. Let me tell y'all, fam, I've been having bad luck with chicken.
Since we had the wings split to fry them anyway, fam, we figured we cook them on 2 different temperatures because these on 5.5 for the 12 minutes, and we're gonna cook these on 5 for 12 minutes to see.